Okay, good morning everyone. Today is our third day of meeting for our online class. So for today, we will be talking about the operations on sets. Okay, so when we say operations, it's similar with the operations that we do with numbers. Meron tayong multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Also, we have the exponents when we're talking about numbers. But in sets, we have what we call union, intersection, and difference. Okay, so to start off, let us find or let us combine the elements of the given sets. Okay, so let's say we have set A is composed of Lisa, Jenny, Jisoo, and Rose. And set B is composed of Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup. So, if we combine the elements of the two sets, ibig sabihin, pag sasamahin natin yung elements or members ng dalawang sets, isulat natin po sila alphabetically based on their names. No po? So, if we're to include the two, don't forget the braces. So, ano ba yung mauuna? Syempre, yung mayroong letter B, 'di ba? Alphabetically. So, alin ang mauuna kay Blossom, kay Bubbles, or kay Buttercup? Syempre, mauuna si Blossom. Susulat natin, Blossom. Next, B ulit, we have Bubbles and Buttercup. Pagsunurin na natin. Bubbles, Buttercup. Lalagay ko sa baba yung sulat ha, kasi hindi kasya. Buttercup. Then, from the set A, ang pinakamauuna, JKL o J muna. Sino mauna? Si Jenny or si Jisoo? Eh, di si Jenny. Sulat natin si Jenny. Then, sunod si Jisoo. Then, we have JKL, Lisa. Then, last I see Rose. Okay, then close braces po tayo. So, these are the combined elements. Why did we combine the elements? Because that is what we call the union of sets. The union of sets A and B, written in symbols A union B. Okay, A union B is the set of elements that are members of A, members of B, or both A and B. So, in other words, we're just going to combine the elements of the two sets. Let us have the next example. So, applying these to numbers, we have, let's say, set A has elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B has elements 3, 5, 7, and 9. Our A union B will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 3 and 5 are already included in set A, we're just going to add 7 and 9. Therefore, A union B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. So, wala siyang 6 dahil wala namang 6 dun sa nauna nating dalawang sets. Next. For the next operation, let us have this example, which is similar between the two groups. Okay, so on the first given, we have the original 6 members of Avengers. And on the right picture, we have the members of the Avengers that are on Titan. Okay, so which is similar between the two groups, the similar element is Iron Man. Okay, so ayan. So, kung ano yung similar, that is what we call the intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B is the set of elements that are both on A and B. So, in other words, we pertain to the similar elements between the two sets. So, again, ang sulat natin for intersection is A. Then, parang nakabaliktad na U. Kasi mukha siyang letter N. Intersection. Ayan, A. Intersection B is, on our set, first example is Iron Man. Ayan, parehas silang may Iron Man. Sila lang ang parehas. Okay? So, for the next example, for the next example, we have the given A with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B with elements 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, for the intersection of sets A and B, ano lang ba yung parehas dun sa dalawang sets? We have 3 and 5. So, yan yung intersection natin. Next, for the last operation, we have the activity, short activity, which members are unique in the first group. Ibig sabihin, walang kaparehas sa ibang grupo. So, in the first picture, we have Thor, Iron Man, Captain America, Black Widow, Hawkeye, and Hulk. Okay? So, para malaman natin yung unique element in the first group, we are to remove Iron Man from the group. So, ibig sabihin, ang unique elements will be si Thor, Captain America, Cap na lang ilalagay ko. Si Black Widow, Nat na lang ang ilalagay ko. Si Hawkeye, at saka si Hulk. Ayan, si Hulk. Ayan. So, wala na po si Iron Man. This is for the first set. Then, on the next question, we have which members are unique in the second group? No, second group naman, itong nasa Titan. Okay? So, which members are unique? Unique, ibig sabihin yung walang kagaya sa second group. No? So, para makuha natin yun, yung second picture ng mga tao, ibabawas lang natin si Iron Man. So, ang matitira ay from left ay si Spider-Man, sino nga ba yun? Si Drax. Itong isa pang lalaki ay si Peter. At saka si Mantis. So, wala na din si Iron Man sa group na yon. Now, yung mga kinuha nating elements, yun yung tinatawag nating difference of sets. So, pag sinabing difference of sets A and B, it is the set of elements in A that are not in B. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagawin mo lang, tatanggalin mo kung ano yung parehas dun sa dalawang set, mula dun sa unang set, para makuha mo yung unique elements. Again, pag sinabing unique, walang kaparehas. Okay? So, kung halimbawa, set A, balik natin doon. Kunyari, set A, itong unang picture o sa left, set B yung picture sa right, we write the difference of set as A minus B. Okay. Then, kung para sa susunod naman, baliktad, we have B minus A. Okay? Ayan. So, kung kaya nyo naman silang idiretso ng sulat, isulat nyo na po ng diretso yung sets with its operation on the side. Okay? Apply natin sa numbers. Okay? So, for example, given set A with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B has elements 3, 5, 7, 9, A minus B. So, ano lang ba yung parehas sa A at B? It's 3 and 5. Pag tinanggal mo ang 3 at ang 5 sa set A, susulat ko lang yung set A dito ha. Set A, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, set B has elements 3, 5, 7, and 9. No, ang parehas lang naman sa kanila ay 3 at 5. So, kapag sinabing A minus B, anong matitira sa A? We have 0, 1, 2, 4. And kung B minus A naman, ang magiging sagot natin ay 7, 9. So, A minus B, ang matitira ay yung 4. Then, B minus A, ang matitira ay 7 at 9. Let us have a few more examples. So, given set A, ABC na lang din ang gamitin natin. A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is the set of counting numbers. Naka-verbal description siya. And C has elements 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay? So, let us do A union C. So, for number 1, okay, wait, before we start pala, isulat na natin yung set B dito sa taas para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Okay? So, ang set B daw ay set of counting numbers. So, pag sinabing counting numbers, saan ka ba nagsisimula pag nagbibilang ka? Siyempre sa 1, no? So, counting numbers ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pero this has no ending. So, lagyan na lang natin ng ellipsis. Yan. Okay? So, sagutan natin yung number 1. Since sa number 1, ang involved lang ay A at C, dun tayo sa kanan tumingin. So, A union C, we are to combine the elements of A and C. Okay? So, pagsunod-sunodin natin yung elements. So, nag-start tayo dito. Ang C merong 0. So, sulat natin ang 0. Parehas may 1. So, 1s na lang natin isulat. May 2 sa A. So, isulat natin ang 2. May 3 parehas sa A at C. So, 1s lang natin isulat. 4 meron ang A. Sulat natin ang 4. 5 parehas meron. So, sulat. 6 sa A lang, pero dahil union, sulat din ulit natin siya. Then, 7 sa C meron. So, sulat natin ang 7. So, this will be A union C. Next, union ulit. Again, keyword for union is to combine. So, we have C union B. So, pagsasamahin daw po ang elements ng C at B. So, for C, we have 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. And for B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong ellipses din dito. Okay? So, C union B, pag pinagsama, dahil, again, sunod-sunod to dapat, so we are to write 0 kasi merong 0 sa C. Then, sa B, merong 1. Sa C, meron ding 1. Sulat natin. Sa 2, meron sa B, set B, kasi counting number. 3, meron sa parehas. 4, meron sa set of counting numbers. Ayan. So, kumbaga, mapapansin ninyo, 4, kung 5 man siya, parehas meron. 6, meron din parehas. Ay, hindi. Yun sa bilang. So, sulat natin, since union naman yan. Then, 7. Kasi meron naman parehas. So, as you can see, meron ng ellipsis dito. So, pwedeng isulat pa natin yung 8, pwedeng hindi na rin. No, kasi, ibig sabihin yung ellipsis na yon kasama na rin yung 8. So, medyo palalakihin ko lang yung aking whiteboard. Balikan natin yung sasagutan natin. So, nandun na tayo sa A union B. C union B pala. So, again, yung elements natin sa C union B is 1, 0 ka pala, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then dot, dot, dot. O, yan na po yung C union B. Okay? Then, number 3. We have A intersection C. So, ano lang bang parehas sa A at C? Okay, so, ang answer natin, parehas silang may 1, may 3, at may 5. So, sulat natin 1, 3, 5. Next, number 4. B intersection C. So, ano lang ang parehas sa B at sa C? Diba ang B, kung natatandaan ninyo, ay, lalagay ko dito sa taas. So, B, okay. Sulat natin. Nawawala. Sa baba na lang. B is equal to 0. Ay, hindi. Undo. Counting numbers, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, dot, dot. O, yan. So, anong parehas sa B at sa C? Parehas lang naman sa kanila ay yung 1, 3, 5, 7, diba? Kasi wala namang 0 yung B, diba? So, ang parehas ay 1, 3, 5, at saka 7. Okay? So, ito yung parehas. 1, 3, 5, at saka 7. Ang wala lang ay 0. Okay? Next, burahin muna natin. Then, we have number 5, A minus C. So, ibabawas daw natin yung elements ng C sa A. So, dahil ang parehas lang namang elements ay 1, 3, 5, ibawas daw ang 1, 3, 5 sa A. So, ang A naman ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tatanggalin mo ang 1, ang 3, at ang 5. Ang matitira ay 2, 4, and 6. Sunod, number 6, C minus A. Okay, C minus A. So, kung ano yung parehas sa C at A, tatanggalin natin. So, ang parehas lang ay 1, 3, 5. So, kung ang C ay 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, tatanggalin mo itong tatlo. Ang matitira ay 0, 7. Okay, ayan. Hindi na natin nalagyan ng box yung iba. Okay, so for your sit work or independent learning, may 2 options tayo. For those who have no math score account, kindly rely on your book, page 15. Okay. So, medyo patagalin natin ng kaunti. Screenshot this part para hindi nyo na kailangan kopyahin. So, you will have to perform the operations. Namili na lang ako ng items na katulad dun sa examples natin. Okay. Then, for option 2, math score account, kung meron na po, no, kung wala, edi yung option 1. So, for those who have their math score accounts, do option 2. So, again, you are required to have at least 60% completion rate. So, paano nyo malalaman yung completion rate ninyo? Pag nagsagot kayo, then bumalik kayo dun sa mismong page ng math score ng grade 7 topics, makikita nyo may number sa dulo ng title. So, that is the completion rate. So, at least 60, ibig sabihin, kailangan 60% pataas ang inyong makuhang completion rate.